Oh dear. Almost ruined the whole thing. Habitat number 2 is a rainforest. I also have deserts. I know we're talking about that. We live in a desert, so I hope you guys have a lot of information about that. But let's see who lives in a rainforest. This is called My Home in the Rainforest by J. Patrick Lewis. Welcome to the rainforest. Over half the world's creatures call it home, in a kingdom where wonders are found. It is the jewel of the earth. Its thick trees may keep sunlight from reaching the ground. So that's over the top of it. Rainforests contain evergreen trees. Their leaves never fall off. We talked about that yesterday. Gorilla. Who is the burliest brute in the jungle who can scare you with just one stare or a couple of thumps on the barrel of his silverback chest? Beware. It says adult gorillas can eat up to 66 pounds of plants and fruit in a day. See if you can guess this one. A cat can move with stealth and speed when hunting prey on which to feed. But let her be a warning sign. Sadly, the jaguar is in decline. Mother jaguars live with their cubs. Most of the time, adult jaguars live alone. This snake is the stuff of nightmares. Females are bigger than males. You are likely to see them hanging around in rainforest trees and on trails. This would be the boa constrictor. It says boa constrictors do not chew their food, they swallow their prey whole. Yikes. Ooh, red-tailed monkey. A monkey gets ready to jump, but he says, "Why am I such a grump? Oh, go hang, give me strength. I should welcome the length of the handle I have on my rump." It's a silly word. But basically, this story is saying how lucky they are, how useful this really long tail is for swinging and moving around in a rainforest. Red-tailed monkeys use up to 22 sounds to communicate. See if you can guess. I'm mainly a fruit-eating bird who gives the whole jungle a thrill by wearing this slightly absurd, fantastic banana-shaped bill. Remember, we were just talking about what part of a bird the bill is. Another word for bill is their beak. Do you see the banana shape? It's a pretty plain looking bird, but it has some bright colors there. The toucan. Toucans make their nests in tree holes. They do not lay down sticks, straw, or any other nesting materials. So they use what they find. Ooh. This is the Amazonian centipede. Once a centipede said on vacation, "Do not bug me. I'm into gyration. When I go on my trips, I'm so hip that my hips hula 100 times in rotation." So centi means 100. So we say they have 100 parts, 100 legs. A lot of people think that they do have 100 legs. They do not. These creepy crawlers have 42 or 46 legs. But it looks like a lot more, right? Jungle homes. Let the rainforest be our house of hope under a canopy of trees. Where else can you see a biosphere in infinite varieties? The animals shown in this book are hiding in the photo. Can you find them all? So we talked about the rainforest being a habitat for jaguars, gorillas, monkeys, toucans, boa constrictors, centipedes. I bet there was another one. Can you find them? Under the canopy means under the, what kind of resembles an umbrella, like we saw at the beginning of the book. All of the tops of the trees can actually grow so close or so tall that it blocks out a lot of the sun. But underneath is a nice safe place, very humid because there's lots of water and lots of vegetation. Ooh, I just found the centipede. Gross. I hope you enjoyed this book. There's some more facts about these animals, so if you learned any facts through this book, feel free to write them down. Feel free to draw a picture, or I hope this helps with your weekly work. And I hope you enjoyed another informative story.